A street-smart cricketer, below the sea-level bowler are just a few names attributed to the pocket-sized dynamite, Kedar Jadhav by the cricketing fraternity. He is all set to add a few more this year as he is going to don the orange jersey and represent Sunrisers Hyderabad. Before starting, we at Sunrisers Army would like to wish Kedar Jadhav a very happy birthday. Hello Orange Army, Andarki Namaskaram. Welcome to the second episode of Know Your Riser Season 2. If you did not check out our first episode on Jagadish Suchit, go and check out the link in the description or in the cards here. Kedar looks to put behind his horror 2020 season and start fresh with the Orange Army. SRH bought him at a base price of 2 crore in the auction. He's a terrific addition to the side as SRH's search for an experienced middle-order Indian batsman comes to an end with his inclusion. Kedar Jadhav was born exactly 36 years ago in Pune in a middle-class family. His father worked as a clerk in Maharashtra State Electricity Board and played an important role in his development as a cricketer. Kedar is inclined towards cricket since his early days and took his passion to the next level. Kedar Jadhav played many local tennis ball tournaments and honed his skills. His close aides say that his street smartness comes from the experience of playing in tennis ball tournaments. He made his under-19 debut for Maharashtra in 2004 and continued to excel for his state in various age group tournaments. After a successful 2009-10 season with Maharashtra in all formats, Delhi Daredevils acquired him for the 2010 season. That is where his association with the IPL has begun, and he did impress one and all with his ferocious 24 balls 50 against RCB on debut that season. After that, he went on to represent Kochi Tuskers Kerala in 2011, but hardly got a chance there. In the 2011 Ranji season, he scored 327 against Uttar Pradesh and went on to top their batting charts for the season. His major breakthrough came in the 2013-14 Ranji season, where he scored a mammoth 1,223 runs and helped Maharashtra reach the finals. His heroics earned a spot in the Delhi Daredevils yet again, and in that disaster season for Delhi Daredevils, Kedar was the lone shining light. These heroics earned him a national call-up in December 2014 against Sri Lanka, where he made his debut. Later in 2015, when a second-string Indian side went to tour Zimbabwe for ODIs and T20Is, Kedar made his debut in T20Is. And in the final ODI, he scored his maiden 10 and did a special Salman Khan's Dabang dance. But Kedar became a regular feature of the Indian team from the 2017 ODI series against England. In the Pune ODI, he had a record 200-run partnership with Virat Kohli and scored 120 of 76 balls, while chasing 351 and helped India thump England. In that series itself, Kedar scored a magnificent 90 of 75 balls in Kolkata and almost won the game single-handedly. He was the man of the series with 232 runs. From then, he represented India in many games in the limited overs leg and became an integral part of the 2019 World Cup. He helped India finish many games by playing important cameos. His partnerships with MSD helped India win many games and seize crucial moments in the game. In the 2016 New Zealand series, for the first time in his professional cricketing career, Kedar was asked to bowl by MS Dhoni. And he did and made good strides in the next few years with his below the sea level bowling as quoted by Sunil Gavaskar and made batsmen struggle for runs. In the 2018 IPL, he played only one game for CSK and that to the opening game. But he played a crucial innings which set the tone for CSK for the rest of the tournament. He batted with a hamstring tear and scored 2 boundaries in the final game and won the game for them. A similar role played by him for the India later that year in the Asia Cup final. As VVS Laxman said post-auction that Kedar straight away walks into the side, it would be interesting to see how Kedar excels for SRH. His addition certainly adds a good balance for the Orange Army. In the next episode, we are coming with Mujibur Rahman, or another Afghan. Before you leave, take a screenshot of this episode and post it on your Instagram story and mention us at Sunrisers Army and stand a chance to get a shout out from our Instagram handle. Do check the description for our Instagram link and follow us there. Also join our FB group which has more than 1 lakh SRH fans and share your opinion. Take care and subscribe to Orange Army.